Alright, so today what I have here is the Louët skein winder, standalone skein winder. I have it attached to a table. I've got a small bobbin on the standalone Lazy Kate. I'm just going to show you quickly how easy it is to operate. So I've attached my yarn. If I wasn't demonstrating this, I would be standing facing the skein winder with my back towards you, so it's easier to turn. But right now, just for demonstration purposes, we're just going to go around. If you count how many times you go around, you'll be able to measure your skein. And the skein winder is also adjustable, and I'll show you that after. There are screws at the back that you can actually move your handles closer to the middle to make a smaller or larger skein.